Wiring harness for installing an aftermarket radio. Provides power and 4 speakers. Pre-wired ASWC-1 harness included. ASWC-1 sold separately. Retains the factory backup camera. Requires AX CAM6V, sold separately. Made in the USA. Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver for 2016 Honda Civic vehicles. Manufactured by Metra. Top reviews from the United States. Arrived early. I don't have Prime, but this arrived earlier than expected and product was as described. Actually, I just bought it because the harness didn't have the pink wire for the hands-free steering wheel control connector, so thanks to Metra I have to depin a connector and repin it back into the first one I purchased because they didn't feel it was a good idea for some reason. FYI, you need the pink wire and a couple others for the 19 Civic Sport for the steering wheel controls. You can also splice into this wire, but Metra highly recommends you do not. You are welcome.